Hi everyone, we're starting. We're actually here at the airport right now for Aunt Patricia Lorenzo departure. First and foremost, congratulations. How was the experience so far? How was your preparation going to Thailand?
Thank you. First and foremost, thank you. I'm speechless because I can't believe na ito na yon. How I am after I crowned last July 9. Grabe, parang nung nag-start ako, nung nakoronahan ako, doon nag-start yung timer ko to prepare. No enough time for me to rest. Kasi sabi ko, trabaho to eh. More than my dream. It's a job, it's a responsibility. I want to be in Thailand na sobrang preparado. Kasi hindi na lang si Ann Patricia magkukumpit doon, but all the Filipinos. My community, the LGBTQIA+ community, and also all the Filipinos and also the young ones who's dreaming to be there one day. So, sobrang trinabaho ko to, and today, gabi, hindi ako makapaniwala na ito na yung araw na lilipad ako ng Thailand, bit-bit ang pangarap, ang bansa, at ang boses ng aking community.
Yes, this is finally, ito yung pinaka-inaantay natin for you. Ang tagal mo itong inantay, like years talaga.
4 years.
4 years in the making.
In the making.
Pero ito na, syempre naman, after mong manalo ng MIQPH, I'm pretty sure na sobrang naging busy ka. Preparation. Syempre, sino-sino ba yung mga designer mo na pwede mong i-share?
Ayan. Yes, sobrang busy. Parang from day one talagang trinabaho na namin. Then nag-share na kami ng collective ideas to ng organization with the chosen designer. The designers that I pick is Sir Manny Halasan, of course. Alison Castro, Sir Chico Estiva, Mama Resti Lagare. Ayan. And also the young designers na sobrang nakipagtulungan sa akin, which is they are part of my advocacy, Habi ng Pangarap.
Ano yung pressure sa'yo? Because you were crowned in the biggest pageantry stage of Trans Pinay in Mall Arena, first ever history. Yung pressure na yun ang lakas. Para bang, paano mo hinawakan yon all the way going to Miss International Queen pageant?
Nung lumaban ako ng MIQ Philippines this year, sa third attempt ko, sabi ko, I don't let pressure in. So after I crown, even na merong pressure because hindi na nga to si Ann Patricia, tapos buong Philippines na ang dala ko, pero yun pa rin sinabi ko sa sarili ko that I don't let pressure in me. E-enjoyin ko to, ipapakita ko kung sino ako, and ayun lang, parang don't force, let it flow. Mangyayari ang dapat mangyari. Just enjoy every moment of this pageant.
So mas relax ka na nga ngayon.
Ann Patricia, any idea or clue about your national costume?
Clue, sige.
Clue.
Yun.
Dadalhin natin ang Pilipinas sa Thailand na makikita nila yung sinatawag nila dito na Fresh. Super fresh siya. Fresh sa mata, may lamig sa mata, matutuwa ang lahat. Magiging proud ang mga Pilipino.
We have talent competition. Anong inihanda mo dito? Sasayaw ka ba? Kakanta? Yeah.
Sige, mag-table ako ng isang clue. Tatanungin nyo lahat si Ann kung marunong ba siyang sumayaw.
Tingnan natin, Ann, marunong ka bang sumayaw?
Malalaman nyo po sa September 15.
Yes!
And how do you feel na kayo yung pinagtatapat ni Miss Vietnam who's also leading the leaderboards, the hot picks, right?
Sobrang ganda rin ni Miss Vietnam, and she is our neighbor, part of the Southeast Asian country. And lagi namang ganun eh, in every competition, lagi may pinagtatapat. And me, I'm so proud na at least tayong mga transgender women in Southeast Asia talagang nag-excel in every pageant. Pero sabi ko, enjoy ko to. Parang I don't want to parang bantayan or to look someone na siya lang yung effortan kong bantayan. But for me, ang dapat kong bantayan is yung sarili ko for me to be able to do my preparation.
And ilang luggage ang dala mo?
Medyo madami siya. Parang like 5 or 6 po. Okay.
Kaya ba ng Miss International Queen Philippines Organization ang ikalawang Miss International Queen title
No, it's not.
sa'yo?
It's not Italy.
No, no, no.
Yeah,
The organization. Kaya ba?
Yes, after Fuchsia's was crowned on 2022, you actually, meron na tayong dalawang corona from Kevin and Trixie, pero dun sa organization, first round si Fuchsia, and sasabihin ko na kayang-kaya natin ang ikalawang corona para sa MIQ Philippines at ika-apat na corona para sa Pilipinas.
Anong napag-usapan niyo ni Fuchsia?
Fuchsia has been so supportive even before, after she was crowned. We're very close friends. Talagang grabe kami maggalgalan yan. And then ang sabi niya ngayon, parang just be myself, magbaon ako ng maraming lakas, physically, mentally, emotionally, because it's a roller coaster, mind game, lahat. Parang Olympics kung sasabihan ko. So dapat marami tayong baon na energy.
How about with Lars?
With Lars, she's very busy, and I would like to say na congratulations sa kanya sa Miss Mandirigma. And for me, ang nag-usap kami, ang last usap namin ni Lars, ang sabi niya pala, ito natatandaan ko na ang sabi niya, ate, once you're there, don't think anything about the tickets, about yung gamit, or kung ano susuotin mo kinabukasan. Parang let the glam team do their job. So ikaw, focus ka lang.
Hindi ba ikaw ang first runner-up ni Fuchsia nung first ever Miss International Queen Philippines? Kaya ba ng batch ninyo ang two winners?
Yes.
Yes.
I think nung 2022 kasi grabe yung pinagdaanan namin doon eh. Gitna yun ng pandemic eh, COVID-19. So, grabe yung haba ng preparation. So, kaya siguro doon namin nakuha yung lakas namin na parang kaya si Fuchsia nanalo just because yung pinagdaanan namin 2022, and also me na sumubok ng ilang pang taon. So, naging parang malaking battlefield namin 2022. Kaya siguro swerte kung sino yung lalaban ngayon at mauwi natin ang ika-apat na corona.
Meron bang special someone na manonood sa Thailand?
Yes, my family, may complete family, complete members of my family will be there. My dad is there. Sinatid niya ako ngayon, and also my boyfriend for 12 years na, ongoing 12 years na kasama ko simula nung unang araw na binuo ko yung pangarap na to, sinuportahan niya ako. Of course, hindi siya mawawala.
Do you have any pasalubong or gift for your co-candidates pagdating ng
Yes.
Thailand?
Ang the-dried mango pa rin ba?
Yes, meron tayong pasalubong. I'm pretty sure na yung mga candidates and yung ibang friends natin from Thailand, magugustuhan nila to kasi tinatawag ko to na scent of green. They will love it. They always, every time that they will smell or parang pag naamoy nila tong scent na to, or sabihin ko na, scent na to, they'll always remember that there's someone like me who's never give up on us.
Speaking of scent, parang Sampaguita inspired ba yung outfit mo? Parang ang bango-bango muntik na. And fresh.
Fresh.
Yes,
Parang yun na ata ang clue, parang yung
So preview na ba yan ng OOTD pasabogs mo? Mag-change outfit ka rin pagdating mo sa Thailand.
Ayan, pero ito,
Parang natumbok mo na nga, ang fresh.
inspiration to ng hand-painted po siya ng local designer from Malabon, Sampaguita, and also the top naman, it was inspired by the modern barongko.
Talking to your preparations, how many percent ay uwi mo yung corona?
Kasi optimistic akong tao, parang whatever you do, hindi ka man mag-expect ng sobra, pero sabi ng isang mentor ko, si Mami Ian Mendehar, pag nandun ka sa isang competition, huwag kang manggigil manalo. Pero manggigil kang gawin yung performance mo. Dahil kapag nagawa mo yung maganda mong performance, there's no any reason for you not to win.
This is your first time in Thailand?
No, many times. Thailand is my home away from home.
Andun siya din nung last
Si Vina, na-meet niya.
What do you look forward sa competition?
Nilook forward ko po na sobrang saya ng MIQ because this is just like a major pageant for us trans women na talagang i-uplift niya yung trans pageantry around the world. And also, syempre, expect na natin medyo pagudan ng mga schedules. Ayan, pero sobrang saya kasi marami na naman ako mamimit ng mga trans women around the world na we're sharing stories, cultures, and also beliefs. Kaya sobrang excited.
How many candidates na ngayon?
Ngayon ko, alam ko parang we are 24 po.
Ang tanong ko lang, no, you had a very controversial win. Pero kapag, alam mo yun, pero the way we look at you, since your crowning moment up until now, ang light, parang walang excess baggage. Alam mo yun, ano yung sikreto ng motivation mo na
parang iba, imbis na ma-stress ka, you're glowing instead.
Yeah, you look better now than
Thank you.
when you won actually.
Ayan, medyo nakapahinga na tayo doon kasi syempre nung national pageant medyo hectic yung schedule namin doon. Then ngayon medyo nakatulog tayo while preparing. And for me, siguro the secret is that I learned how to differentiate between constructive and destructive criticism. So I take all the constructive and I will dispose all the destructive, especially for those comments who will not help me. Kasi maingay yung social media. If you will absorb all the noise, then maapektuhan ka. It will radiate you on the outside. So, kinuha lang natin yung mga naka-fresh, yung mga nakaka-haggard, iniwan natin yan.
So I assume during the competition, you won't be dwelling too much on your social. You won't be active on, you know, reading comments on your social media accounts para for your focus to be really intact.
That's true. Kagaya ng ginawa ko po nung MIQPH, before, parang 3 days before and then after I crowned, hindi ako nag-social media. Siguro sa social media ako just to update my families, my friends, my glam teams, and also to post something that I need to post to promote the sponsors of the pageant.
Ano yung advice, of course, ng ating MIQPH President, Sir Tay Endencia?
Sir Tay.
Anong advice?
Pwede ko kanina. Advice? Wala, kasi yun yung reason kung bakit siya yung napanalo natin. Because of what she is, and I love Anne from the very beginning, and talagang hindi ako nagkamali sa pagpili sa kanya as our Miss International Queen Philippines. So advice is be yourself, ikaw na yan. Hashtag Coronahan.
Sir Tay, as someone who believes in her so much and looking forward to the competition, ano pa yung hindi namin pa nakikita sa kanya na nakikita mo ng ngayon as early as now sa competition?
Yun yung dapat yung abangan. No? Kasi pag sinabi ko, wala nang twist. So dapat manood kayo talaga ng lahat ng event namin sa Thailand and even the preliminaries and yung mga pocket events namin sa Thailand. So
Yung
makikita nyo po ibang
Yung MIQPH org, Sir Tay, kailan kayo pupunta?
Kami po ay ngayon din po.
Ngayon din? Sabay!
Andun ka nung lumabas si Persia, andun ka sa yung sunod-sunod na yun. Dahil napanood mo lahat yung laban ng mga nakaraan nating MIQ Philippine winners, ano yung gagawin mo kakaiba na very at para makuha natin ang ika-dalawa para sa organization at ika-apat para sa Pilipinas?
Siguro, just be who I am. Be authentic. Kasi yung nakikita ng tao, social media, si Anne, yung parang it's about the glitz and the glamour. I have a very strong personality. But I want people to realize na there is something with me, with Anne, na sobrang mai-inspire ang tao, na parang kayong luluha at nanonood ng MMK. But by telling my story and by being authentic for who I am, I will able to inspire not only the Filipinos, but I'm pretty sure all the trans women, all the young generation is dreaming around the world.
So papaiyakin mo kami?
Yes, in a good way.
Sana
Masaya,
kami nanalo
sa tuwa.
ka.
Masaya.
Iiyak kami dahil nanalo ka
Yes.
dapat
And what makes a Filipina transgender stand out in the world stage?
Siguro dahil we experience everything here in our country in a way that since we are young, I am young, I experience discrimination, humiliation, and every kind of experience. But aside from that, of course, makulay ang mundo po ng mga trans Pinay. Sobrang saya. Pumunta ka lang sa isang baryo, naglalakad ka, grabe may mga contest na dyan. So naggagalgalan, sobrang saya. So for me, yun yung way bakit tayo sobrang lakas. We're always stand out among others country when we are competing international. Just because we always want to prove that our culture, our values will make us stand out.
Wait, last na lang, message sa pageant fans.
Sa sangkabekihan,
And
mga
of
kabaho.
course, may mga voting ba tayo online? So,
i-mention mo na rin.
And, yeah.
Mabuhay! This is Anne Patricia Lorenzo, your Miss International Queen, Philippines 2025. Pilipinas, ito na po ang araw na kung saan lilipad po ako patungong Pattaya, Thailand. So I will represent our beautiful country, the Philippines. Naway, baon ko po ang inyong suporta at dasal. So I will take home the 4th crown of Miss International Queen dito po sa ating bansa. And to being updated on all our ganaps, just follow the Instagram of Miss International Queen po, Miss International Queen Officials, and also the official Instagram and Facebook account of Miss International Queen Philippines, and also my personal social media po, Ann Patricia Lorenzo Diaz on Facebook. On Instagram naman po, Ann Patricia Lorenzo Diaz 22, and also on TikTok po, Ann Patricia _Lorenzo. Ipapromise ko po sa inyong lahat na hindi ko po i-gatekeep po tong joy na to. I-share ko po every moment.
Ann Patricia, why should you be our next Miss International Queen?
I should be Miss International Queen 2025 because I believe that it's our time to take home the 4th crown. Because a someone like me who will be there in Thailand is someone that Miss International Queen needs to inspire others, because the main goal or the main theme of MIQ now is Beyond Beauty. Because Beyond Beauty is something that meets more than the eye, and I will be the one who will define what is beyond.
Sample of introduction.
Yes, sample of
Wait lang.
introduction.
Wait lang. Grabe yung titig ni Sir Tay.
Ang galing nga, no?
Amazed na amazed si Sir Tay. Galing.
Handang-handa na siya.
Tingin ka sa lahat ng
2 months lang yan
Tingin mo na dito sa sa part natin.
Middle.
2 months
Middle
lang
muna.
yan. Paano pa kaya kung 1 year?
Yeah.
1 month and a half lang, training namin.
Nasaan yung light? Go. Okay. Go.
Mabuhay and sawadika. This is Ann Patricia Lorenzo Diaz representing ang mahal kong Pilipinas.
Wow!